Hey everyone, Scott here. I'm going to cover Australia's next 78 boom locations. This is your daily property update. So first up, the idea of a cheap suburb in Australia is actually quickly disappearing. In fact, cheap suburbs now are becoming dead in Australia. Not in 5 years, not 10 years. This is happening right now. Now we're about to cross 1,000 suburbs with $1 million price tag. This is crazy, guys. The new data from Ray White shows Australia is on track to hit 1,000 $1 million suburbs in 2026. Right now, we're sitting at about 923. Over the next 12 months, 78 more suburbs are expected to cross that $1 million median house price tag. And they're not at all where you'd expect. Let's look into who's leading the charge and where the next price jumps are coming from. First up, Perth is dominating. 22 of the 78 predicted new $1 million suburbs are in WA's capital, more than any other city. So much for all the gurus saying it's time to stop investing in Perth. Now, most of the gurus came out and said 3-4 months ago, stop investing in Perth. They are dead wrong. Couldn't be any more wrong than that. Next up, Brisbane is closing the gap on Melbourne. 17 new suburbs are expected to break the $1 million mark. Here's what's interesting. Many of these suburbs sit in the exact corridors Freedom started investing in years gone past. That's not a coincidence. It's the result of identifying long-term growth fundamentals early. Affordability, infrastructure, population growth, and load-based prices. This is the classic ripple effect. Affordability draws bias out and prices follow. So what's the takeaway? If you're an investor, you don't need to chase blue chip anymore. The next $1 million suburbs are in the middle and outer rings. If you're a home buyer, the affordable areas are changing fast. What's under 1 million today may not be next year. If you're in Perth or Brisbane, this is your moment. These markets are still running and the data backs it. The big warning though is that many of the gurus are going to start pushing their clients out into the regions. Be very, very careful, guys, because you've got to look at growth over 10 to 15 years. Take a look at this report here by CoreLogic. They ran the numbers, get to the capital cities, get to the big regional areas. When I mean regional, they still classify areas like Gold Coast, Geelong, and so forth as regional. These are not regional. These are cities in their own right. So you want to be in these concentrated areas of population because long-term, as per the CoreLogic data, capital cities, the large areas do grow more over time. You're not looking for growth in 1 or 2 years. You're looking for growth over 10 to 15 years.